Beth mae'r gymuned angen?
Use existing structures in new ways.
Gofynnwch cwestiynau.
Empower.
Ysbrydoli.
Over the last couple of days, we've really had some time to work together and look at each other's kind of experiences and journeys, and that's been fascinating.
Ond pryd mae rwy'n yn cael, fatha gatho ni dyddiau dwytha yma digwydd bod, rhywbeth fwy creadigol, edrych ar lun, gweld beth ydy ymateb di nôl simple bach, neu creu rhywbeth allan o rwtch o bethau. A wedyn siarad amdano fo, a ti'n sylweddoli be mae rhywbeth y feddwl i chdi, heb feddwl amdano fo rywsyd, ia.
In a way that I think isn't common with these kinds of projects, where it's like, okay, it's the evaluation, thank you. It feels more like there's an option to carry on those conversations over a longer period of time.
And those notes are what makes up the book. So it's field notes for creative friends. There is a page of notes on listening, talking, inspiring, connecting, sharing, blah, blah. And they are just prompts, and then there's a blank page that whoever you give it to can make their own notes on what they understand to be listening in their community, talking in their community, inspiring in their community, that sort of thing.
Open, supportive, values-based, which gives it depth, trusting. I think those sort of single words actually amount to what it feels like to work.
Mae di bod yn bleser dod I fewn i'r broses. Just efo gymaint o bobl sy'n meddwl ac yn teimlo ar yr un trywydd, a mae 'na real buzz o'r cydgysylltu yn y space yma heddiw.
That we create a space where something can happen and we're not sure what that will be, but that something will be rooted and grounded in that place and in that people and in that moment, so that something useful will emerge, hopefully, maybe not, maybe useful is the wrong word. So something extraordinary will emerge.
So it's not ending for me as a creative practitioner. The project may be ending, the budget may be ending. It's kind of in the atmosphere for me, because it's not going to finish. I'm going to carry on as much as possible working in this way.
Mae be da chi'n wneud yn bwysig. What you do is important. Mae creadigol yn adeiladau cymunedau. Creativity builds communities. Bod yn hyblyg. Be flexible.